Hi friends, I am Sangita. Welcome back to my channel. Today again I am back with one typical Bengali dish which is very popular in Bengal. Popular because of this unique flavor. So see, every dish has their own speciality, and so this dish is very popular, famous for this unique flavor. So maybe you are thinking, what am I going to prepare today? Well, I am going to prepare Gondhoraj chicken. Gondhoraj means king of flavor. So to prepare this dish, you need two key ingredients. One is Gondhoraj lemon, another is lemon leaves. This lemon is not a normal lemon. This is a different type of lemon, which this lemon and that leaves, both they adds that aroma in this dish. So that's the specialty of this dish. And this lemon is, you can get in any Bangladeshi shop. I buy it always from my favorite Bengal store. And the leaves, which I found in Waitrose and Sainsbury only. I bought it from Sainsbury. I don't know any other place in London. So you may try, but it's not very common. You can't get in all the shops. So please try it, otherwise you will not understand what I'm going to talk about this Gondhoraj chicken. So please watch till end. Try this recipe, leave the comment in the comment box, and please don't forget to subscribe my channel before you click my video. So let's start cooking now. First part is we have to marinate the chicken. So let's marinate it first. So my cooking is over. My Gondhoraj chicken is ready. So enjoy it with steamed rice. Try this recipe. Let me know how did you find it. So that's all for today. See you on my next video. Take care. Bye bye.